In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change iCloud Mail password. Here's the key idea up front. Your iCloud Mail password is the same as your Apple ID password. So when you change it, you're updating the login that secures all Apple services tied to your account, not just Mail. That includes things like iCloud, the App Store, and your purchases. Don't worry, this is quick to do, especially on an iPhone or iPad. Start by unlocking your iPhone or iPad and opening the Settings app. At the very top, you'll see your name. This is your Apple ID area. Tap it to open your account settings. Next, choose Sign In and Security. This is where Apple keeps everything related to your account's safety in one place. Now tap Change Password. For security, your device will ask for your device passcode. Enter it to continue. You'll then see fields to create your new password. Take a moment to choose something strong and unique. A good Apple ID password is long, hard to guess, and mixes letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything that's easy to figure out, like simple words or dates. If your device suggests a strong password you can remember, that's a helpful option too. Type your new password carefully, confirm it, and then tap Change. That's it for the change itself. Once you tap Change, your Apple ID password is updated, and that automatically becomes your new iCloud Mail password as well. Behind the scenes, Apple will try to update your credentials across your devices and services that are signed in with the same Apple ID. A couple of important things to keep in mind after you've changed it. Because your Apple ID is used everywhere, you may be prompted to sign in again on other devices. That could include your iPhone or iPad if you have more than one, your Mac, and the iCloud.com website in a browser. This is normal and keeps your account secure. If your Mail app stops syncing for a moment, it usually just needs the new password. Open Mail, follow any on-screen prompts, and sign back in when asked. If you rely on iCloud for things like notes, photos, or the App Store, you may see a quick pop-up asking for your new password the next time you use those features. Enter the new one you just created, and you'll be back to normal. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your iCloud Mail password by updating your Apple ID, and your devices will guide you through any follow-up sign-ins. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store